Suman today, and this is 4.5 cups of glutinous rice and 4 cups of water. I'm gonna soak this for 3 hours. This is now soaked, so I'm gonna drain the water. This is lye water. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. Be sure that you don't put too much lye water. So for every recipe, which is 2 1/4 of rice, 1 teaspoon of lye water. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons here. Then mix this. This will turn into yellow, and it's okay. That's what we want. Then we will soak it for another 1 hour. While waiting for the rice to be soaked in lye, I'm gonna pass this banana leaves over the stove. And when you do this, you can smell the aroma of the banana leaves. I don't want to set the fire too high because I don't want to cook the leaves. Here's the banana leaves. I will put another layer. I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of rice. Before, I used to put only 1/4, but then I noticed that it's not that big. So, this is what I'm doing. Then fold, then fold, then lay it down like this, and then do a second one. Put the second layer. Do it like this, and if it's not enough, cover it with another leaves. Sometimes I do this, but most of the time I don't do that anymore. I just fold them all together. Then put them one on top of the other, then tie it. This time I'm using the edge of the banana leaves that I cut. There. And tie the other end. There, looks like this. Don't tie it too tight because give enough space for the expansion of the rice. Ready to boil. Boil for about 45 minutes to an hour. This is our suman. There are many ways to eat this, but this time we're gonna eat it with shredded coconut, sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, and sugar. Mix them. This is it.